Hello my brothers and sisters in nerdiness, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we're going to be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is a little box of cards. Well, not necessarily, not very little, but it's a box of cards. It's the Dek of Many Insults, and this is from Loke Battle Mats. Spice up your RPG experience with the Dek of Many Insults. 100 cutting RPG themed insults to antagonize any adversary, and ensure your verbal victory. Deal out devastating mockery every time and level up your tabletop banter, compatible with any fantasy RPG. Let's get into it, shall we, and see what these cards are. We have a nice little knife of opening now. There we go, and we'll open it up. This is from the people who brought you the what you call it, map books. There we go. Now, as you can see on the front of it, it does say language advisory, insulting content. On a thing of Dek of, on a set called Dek of Many Insults. So yeah, it's like getting a bag of peanuts, like getting a bag of nuts from the supermarket and them saying, and on the label it says caution may contain nuts. You're as useful as nipples on an albor. That's, yes, you put your brain in a dragon, it would fly backwards. About as bright as a stone golem and twice as dense. I challenge you to a battle of wits, but it seems you came unarmed. You're more uptight than a kraken's arsehole at 50 fathoms. You're as hollow as a skeleton's asshole. I'm not saying you're the dumbest person in this tavern, but you better hope they don't leave. You're about as useful as a one-legged orc in an ass-kicking competition. You're as thick as a minotaur's ball sack and twice as ugly. You're a rogue because you've certainly stolen the joy from this conversation. There are plenty more, but this is the kind of things. Now I do have the what you may call it. I do have the PDF of all these, but it's nice to have the cards, and this is the back. Nice little sets. Looking forward to trying these out at some point. But that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Until next time, as always, stay safe and take care. God bless, and bye for now.